This is gonna blow your mind. AI hasn't just gotten smarter, it's evolved. From basic logic to autonomous agents, here's how we got here. It all starts with artificial intelligence, the grand vision of making machines that think and act intelligently. It's about mimicking human learning, perception, and reasoning at scale. Next comes machine learning. Here, systems learn from data, recognize patterns, and get better over time. Think of spam filters or recommendation engines, classic machine learning in action. Then, deep learning takes things up a notch. Using neural networks, it cracks complex problems like image recognition and natural language processing, all by learning from massive datasets. Now, generative AI enters the scene. Instead of just analyzing data, it creates, writing text, generating images, or composing music, using patterns it's learned. But what if your AI could access real-time information? That's where Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, comes in. It fuses generation with up-to-date knowledge, letting AI pull in facts as it creates, boosting accuracy and relevance. And finally, AI agents. These are the new frontier. Systems that don't just generate but plan, reason, and act autonomously. They combine memory, feedback, and tools to get things done, almost like digital coworkers. So from basic intelligence to agents that can truly take action, we're not just building smarter algorithms, we're building the future of work. Where will you take it next?